All right, this is Darin Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I want to show this picture. There's some theories of who Erdnase really was, and one has been developed by Chris Wassever of Library.com in one of his books, and he thinks that it was Edward Galloway. Now, he may be right, he may be wrong, but if he is right, I researched the home that he would have lived in at that time in the early 1900s, and I found it in Chicago, and this is a really incredible find. So this right here would be the home that Edward Galloway would have lived in. So I've got a picture of it. I thought that would be of interest to you Erdnase fans that are on the hunt for Erdnase. So this is the picture here in Chicago, and I just wanted to share that with you. So please subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.